Alert, 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 alert. Alert, 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 alert. My Ambazonian people, bless Chironkam. I don't come with serious warning, serious alert. Make any Ambazonian citizen take notes. If you there for diaspora, you there for home front, you there for ground one, you there for any corner for the world, take note for this announcement. It's either you take this announcement, you pass and through your loved ones and for inside Ambazonia. I talk particularly for inside Ambazonia. I tell everybody where they inside Ambazonia, say, make una be very careful. This one are information where it don't enter, we say, La Republic don't plan serious attack for this 11 February. This their ballot day will no one even hear the name for the day inside Ambazonia. La Republic don't plan how it go destroy Ambazonia citizens them because they want try for blackmail our ASA them. So when they tell any Ambazonia Pekin where you want come out outside that day, you are on your own. You are on your own and make you not be at that ballot person way. It go be say Ambazonia they go forward, you dey take people they go down for back. Because if you come out that day, no say you don't contribute to for bring this struggle down. No say you don't contribute for bring this struggle down. Me say you dey contribute for say no stay with La Republic because one, till La Republic the plan for Ambazonia then don't be na good thing. La Republic if first action I say he want kill our picking them, our population, people where they go come up for 11 February. La Republic want kill that people. And then the second one I say as they kill them, they go put and send our ASA them. Why? Because they want use now boys they for DDR center. They want use now boys the way they know for speak pidgin. So that when they do their action, they go they speak pidgin and they go they record them. Now La Republic go take and send them for the world. It go send them for the ICC. It talks in the Ambazonia ASA. They don't go cause that action because they don't want me picking the match. So una get for be very careful. I hope say una don't hear this message clear, very loud and clear. Now till when La Republic be gone last time for Cambe, una remember Cambe how La Republic be planned explosive. It chakara wa picking the cut them. Some they die, some the day where they be amputated, we have food, have hand. I mean, some they lost their eyes, some they lost part them for their skin. So now they try to tell una say, if you be person where you wise, not come out outside that day. Your life there at risk, and you put the struggle at risk because La Republic define evidence for ICC. It define reason for tell ICC say na Ambazonia ASA them, na then they destroy, na then they kill people, na then they commit atrocities. So